guys, so today I'm using the world's blackest black. This is Black 3.0 by Culture Hustle, Stuart Semple's line. And this is a 10 by 20 canvases. And all the materials are listed in the description box below if you're interested. Thank you to my patrons. I love you guys. Seriously, so many people have stepped up to help support my channel, and it means the world to me. Even small donations help so much, and it makes such a difference as to whether or not I can keep bringing these videos to you. So I really appreciate it. Now, this paint is very thick. You water it down and it becomes a little tiny bit easier to work with, but for the most part it's a really thick sort of paint, you can see. But man, oh man, I've used this before in a pour, and you know, I had marginal results, I would say. This is the first time that I've used it just dried on a canvas, and I could not believe the results. Check out this dried, you guys. Seriously, it is devoid of light. I mean, completely. It is the mattest, flattest black I've ever seen, and it almost, I don't usually like matte paint, but it is so dark, it almost looks like velvet. You know how velvet has that really rich sort of look to it? I think that's kind of what this looks like in person. So I'm using alcohol inks here. This is just the Pearl alcohol ink and an airbrush. And this is my airbrush recommendation in my Amazon shop. If you're looking to buy an airbrush, you could do this with a straw. You'll probably get different results. I don't have enough air to blow like this. I know a lot of people that used airbrushes, they'll also use this other tool, which is basically like a curling hair dryer, curling iron hair dryer thing, and they take the top off. So I'll also put one of those in the description box in my Amazon store if you're looking for something like that. But anyway, this was a commissioned piece, and what I was told was I want something on black and white, and I want it to be not as feminine because it was for a man, and also that it be, you know, abstract, a little minimalist. I've been wanting to do a monochromatic piece for a long time, so decided to try that. I love the dimension of the black and white together. It really has a lot of depth to it. This is a practice piece. I thought about adding some gold, and you know, the client said she wanted some silver or gold, but after trying the gold out on the practice piece, I really didn't like it, and I thought this kind of looks too special for me to risk messing it up, and I didn't have any more of this Blackest black paint, so I really wanted to get it right, and I decided not to use the gold. What I found when doing the airbrush is going different directions with the same line of ink. You see I'm going right to left, right to left. It creates, that's part of what creates that dimension in there. Kind of looks like coral, doesn't it? So those are the two pieces side by side. Initially I thought that they would be hung this way, but In the end, I actually like them hung the other direction. Of course, the client can decide. Whoops. Now, there's the downside to the Blackest paint. It shows every little tiny spot. So I actually had to scrape the bottle out and go back and paint over those little paint splatters. Now, for this, I'm using Stuart Semple Culture Hustle's Silveriest Silver. It's from their heavy metal line, and I just decided to add a little bit of silver embellishments. I'm going to do it by hand. These embellishments are so small, so I'm not making huge embellishments here, but I do like the effect. It just makes a little bit more of an alive look to this piece. It gives it a little bit more movement. And I won't take you through the whole embellishment, but it's just the paint in there and nothing special. I didn't add water or medium or anything, just the paint. Now, because of the black, I'll probably add a satin spray to this just to set it all. But I don't really want to destroy the matte finish on that black. The reflection of light or none thereof is partly what gives it that appearance, so I don't want to put a gloss on there. There's a lot of ways to support. You guys can put a PayPal tip in my tip jar. You can shop in my Amazon shop, and if you want to support the channel, you can also subscribe, watch, and hit the bell. The notification bell is important these days, so you get notified when I'm actually putting out another video. You can also shop for prints and paintings at heathermaderart.com. Don't forget, I am also doing a live auction Sunday, May 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So join me there for that. And here is the dried results for this beautiful piece. Oh, look at it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.